Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Darya Arkam channel. Today I am going to teach you English of class 5. First of all, open your workbook, page number 39. There is a story map that is simple past and past continuous tense. The picture below have gone all mixed up. Put them in the correct order and write a story. Take the place of the story map to write your story using simple past and past continuous tense. Story map setting. It has written when somewhere in a beautiful forest. Where many years ago. Characters turtle and rabbit. Next page, page number 40. Beginning. You have to write in the beginning. One day a turtle and rabbit have an argument in the forest about who was more faster in running. They decided to go on a race. Middle. After some time, rabbit looked back and the turtle was far behind. The rabbit slept. The turtle was walking slowly and crossed the rabbit. End. Suddenly, the rabbit woke up and saw that the turtle was nearing the winning post. The rabbit started running, but the turtle have already won the race. Now open page number 41. It has adverbs. We have to fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blank is the weak student solved the sum wrongly. What? Wrongly. WRONGLY. I searched for my book. Book. Desperately. 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 The farmer got up dash and went to the field. The farmer got up quickly. 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 He works dash effectively. 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 They passed the test dash. They passed the test easily. EASILY. The girls were playing dash. The girls were playing happily. 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 We looked for the lost book. We looked for the lost book carefully. 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 The rabbit was looking dash, looking hopefully. HOPEFULLY. So now we got to know that all the words that ends on ly and which has some qualities, that is called adverbs. Moving to next page, page number 42. Make a list of adverbs in these sentences. After each write how, where and when. He comes home. When. Number 2. The girls answered the questions correctly. In type, first question is he comes home early. In type you have to write when, and in adverb you have to write early. ठीक है? The girl answered the questions correctly. The question is manner, how, and correctly adverb. It is a very interesting book. Very, manner, and she will reach station soon. When. They prayed silently, manner. My father drives the car carefully, manner. They needed the books now, needed, manner. Now, time. Pause here to take a breath. Where, place, and here is a place. Tomorrow I shall visit my grandfather. When is the time? Tomorrow. Asim greedily ate the chocolate. Greedily, manner, type, how. Now open your unit number 2 English A, that is 5 bells. First of all, we have the missing letters which is mentioned on the workbook page number 8. First word is headache. Next is present, repaired, assistant, arrived, expensive, station, morning, watching, metal. These are the words which we have do in a missing letters. First question we have, how did Ryan's mother sense that something was wrong? The answer of the question is, she sensed that something was wrong when she saw Ryan holding his head in his hand. Question number 2, why did Ryan's parents want to buy him something? His parents wanted to buy something because Ryan had been working very hard. Question number 3, what was the main reason for the 3 people missing one another in the store? The sports goods shop had 2 doors, each on a different street. The 3 people missed one another as they used different doors to enter and exit the shop. Workbook page number 4. Workbook page number 9, question number 4. What does the story tell you about the David family? What words would you use to describe them? The story tells that David family is very kind, considerate and attentive towards each other. They wanted to help and make others happy without showing off. Question number 5. What kind of the story is this? What are your feelings after reading it? This is a very interesting story in which every member of his family purchased and placed new bell for his cycle. I like it because it shows their caring, helping and cooperative behavior. Question number 6. What should you do when you're riding a bicycle? Write the phrases in the correct group. First is, you should stop at traffic. You should check your tires and brakes. Use a light in the dark. Wear sandals. Watch for cars. Wear eye protections. You shouldn't ride too fast. Wear reflecting clothes. Ride on every busy road. Listen to music. Ride too close to cars. These are some options which we have to pick what should we do or what we should not do. You should stop at traffic lights, check your tires and brakes, use a light in the dark, wear sandals, you must wear something when you ride on a cycle, watch for cars and wear eye protection. And what you should not do, that is, you shouldn't ride too fast, wear reflecting clothes, ride on very busy roads, listen to music and ride too close to car. Workbook page number 10. Here we have a story, retell the story, where we have to show the settings, problems, events and then the solution. The settings. In the dining room, Ryan was holding his head in his headache. His family members thought he was tired of his hard work, but he told them that the cycle's bell was out of order. Middle. They all went to shop one by one and purchased new bells secretly and placed on his cycle, replacing the old one. And Ryan checked his bicycle and found it broken. He purchased a new one, fixed it on his bicycle and became happy. But everyone thought that they were the reason of his happiness. Solution. When Ryan found his bell broken, he replaced it with the newly brought bell. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.